Beneath the waves. Ocean adaptations. Covering over 70% of the Earth's surface, the oceans are vast places of wonder and life that have been explored by humans for hundreds of years. The ocean is a source of incredible and often mind-boggling creatures. But just how do these creatures survive in such a unique environment? Today we will be exploring the many interesting and strange adaptations and abilities that ocean life has developed for life underwater. Keeping a constant body temperature is the most serious challenge facing warm-blooded mammals in an aquatic environment. Most marine mammals have an insulating layer of fat called blubber that keeps their bodies warm and buoyant. Blubber is rich in lipids and stores large amounts of energy. Another way marine mammals control their body temperature is by controlling their blood flow in a process called vasodilation. During vasodilation, blood flow increases to and from peripheral vessels near the surface of the flippers, flukes, and fins. Countercurrent heat exchange allows cold blood returning to the body core to be warmed up by exchanging heat with arteries going to the periphery, the flukes and fins. Animals that have this feature are whales and elephant seals.
In addition to thermoregulation, marine mammals have other traits that allow them to survive in aquatic environments with ease. Marine mammals breathe through single or paired blowholes on the dorsal surface of their head. It is homologous with the nostril of other mammals. As mammals reach the surface to breathe, they will forcefully expel air through their blowholes, expelling water, nitrogen, and mucus. The mucus flaps then relax, closing the blowhole and allowing the mammals to submerge. Animals with blowholes include whales and dolphins.
Diving is a very important tool for marine animals. It allows access to food and safety. During diving, the heartbeat slows and blood is directed away from tissues that can handle low oxygen levels and towards the heart and brain where oxygen is needed most. Bottlenose dolphins can dive to depths of 540 meters and remain underwater for 8 to 10 minutes. The elephant seal can dive more than 1,500 meters and stay underwater for 2 hours. Sperm whales can dive the deepest at more than 1,600 meters and may remain submerged for well over an hour. Camouflage, as this leafy sea dragon demonstrates, is one of the most intricate and beautiful tools of ocean life. Creatures like the stonefish hide themselves from would-be predators by looking like coral and rocks, while cephalopods like this cuttlefish change their colors with mesmerizing results. This cuttlefish uses its amazing abilities to show that chameleons are the only masters of color change, and that in fact lizards have nothing on cephalopods. Cuttlefish aren't the only tentacle friends with camouflage potential. Octopi are also adept at blending into their surroundings. Not only are they highly intelligent, can change color, and squirt ink, but they can also change their texture, which is completely unique. Watch as this rock becomes much more than a rock. This is a carrier crab. Carrier crabs also make use of camouflage, but in a peculiar way. They pick up objects from around them with their uniquely shaped hind legs and use the objects to hide them from predators. Watch as this carrier crab uses a spiny sea urchin as not only camouflage, but as a weapon against a would-be predator. If all else fails, the carrier crab can disappear into the sand, seemingly becoming nothing more than a sea urchin. There are many other adaptations in the ocean, for example, toxins. The sea hornet or box jelly has enough poison to kill 70 adult humans. You may recognize this jellyfish from the movie 7 Pounds. Bioluminescence is another intriguing adaptation found in the deepest parts of ocean. These anglerfish use chemical reactions made by bacteria to attract prey, to attract mates, and to attract dory and marlin. Bioluminescence is light. The most common adaptation for survival is sheer size. This lion's mane jellyfish has very few predators who aren't intimidated by its size. Indeed, the largest creature in existence exists in the ocean, known as the whale shark. Interestingly, the whale shark is a filter feeder and is relatively docile. It is quite harmless and even friendly towards humans. Although the ocean can sometimes be a frightening place, it is filled with strange and wonderful creatures like the seahorse. If there is one place to visit in your life to truly experience the amazing oddities of planet Earth, like this beautiful mandarin fish, it is definitely the ocean. Thanks for listening, and now for Sonia and I messing up our lines.
As mammals reach the surface to breathe, they will forcefully expel air through their blowholes, expelling water.
Countercurrent heat exchange allows cold blood returning to the body. Blah, 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 blah.
Good evening, gentlemen. I am an expert on blowing holes and holes that blow.
Camouflage. Oh, delicious.
Marine mammals breathe through single or paired blowholes on the derp. The mucus flaps then relax, closing the blowhole and allowing the mammals to mucus flaps. Ew.